Hello, all of my Viking friends. I am here today, despite the fact that I've got a laundry list of stuff to do today, but I am here with you because guess what? We are entering the zone of holidays. There's 6 weeks, about 6 weeks of holidays here, and everybody, if you're like me, everybody wants you over at their house to celebrate what they call eating. And my friend, that is impossible when you are trying to stick to your foods. Or is it? Remember when I talked about the dirty carnivores, the dirty ketovores, the dirty ketogenic diet, to the clean diet, and the lazy diet, and all of that? Well, I'm going to tell you that this is as simple as this. If you want to cheat, you can cheat. It is up to you, but you have to promise yourself to get back on to the wagon the next day. It is very impossible to cheat 4, 5, 6 times a week and then get back onto it the next day. So you're going to have to decide what you want to do. And this is where I'm going to help you out. So, without further ado, I'm going to give you some dirty recipes, some lazy recipes, some ketogenic recipes, some clean recipes that fall into the carnivore, and some ketovore recipes that will kind of help you in and out of this party situation. And so this is going to be a 3 to 4 part series, so stay tuned. So first, when you get invited to any party, there's going to be some liquor and some beverages. And I am not condoning drinking alcohol. This is not what this is. But sometimes you're an adult, you need something out there. And well, what can you have? This is going to be like a dirty ketogenic drink, White Claw, or any kind of seltzer. Not sponsored, of course. I just like it. And matching beverage like such, which is like a seltzer water. And what you're going to do is you're going to open like so, pour about half, and then pour about half. Now, if you wanted to go fancy, you could blend this in a blender or a magic bullet or anything like that. That blends it up really fine if you want. Or you can freeze it for a little bit and pour the frozen mixture inside your glass. And there you go, a very, very nice alcoholic beverage that isn't too potent. 1 or 2, maybe during the entire night, and you are fine if you want to do this. Ice water's fine too. Absolutely. Well, if an alcoholic beverage is not your favorite, you can also just imbibe in just a regular diet soda if you want to. Now, you can also make it kind of more like a wine seltzer kind of drink mix. Just add another drink mixture, like so. This is a cherry sparkling ice. Any kind of sparkling seltzer water or anything like that would do. I'm going to put a little bit in. And a little bit of my either Sprite or 7-Up, lemon lime soda, anything like that, diet. Of course, this is considered a dirty kind of diet here. And we are going to add that. Now, if you wanted to, you could make it a little bit alcoholic if you wanted to by adding a seltzer alcoholic beverage if you want. There's many on the market. So it is completely up to you. If you're curious too, you can also go see my beverages, my video. It will be in the link description below. Okay, for the second thing on our list, we are going to do another dirty diet. Now you can clean this up by making your own queso, just simply by melting some cheese of your choice and into heavy whipping cream, 1-for-1, and just melting that up and then pouring that into a container like such. You can add spices to it if you really wanted to. You could add all sorts of different things into it, jalapenos. You could add hotter peppers, ghost peppers if you really hate the people that you're playing with. You know, just saying. And then pork rinds. Now I like these pork rinds because it says fried pork skins and salt. Maybe there's some other additives in here, but it's not listed, and I am okay with that. Again, this is like a dirty, we're going into the ketovore realm here. I'm not judging. There is no judging here. Okay, so I'm just going to literally scoop a couple of spoonfuls out into a bowl, and this is how I'm going to serve it. So while everybody else is watching a game or whatever they're watching, and they're cheering on their favorite game, their favorite, I don't know, their Vikings maybe, and they're eating their chips and dip, you can also partake as well. And so you don't feel left out, you feel like you're part of the team, and you're not sitting there watching them eat. So here we are.